Okay, so we're going to open this pack. We've got this pack today. We've got another couple more packs to open as well. We've got 3 more packs to open. Let's see what we get. Go to the back. Yeah. Wow. Wow. What's this? Wow, go on. That's a rare. It's another rare. Wow, what's this? Keep going. Wow. Keep going. What's going on? Careful, careful. Put them down, put them down. What's going on? Keep going. Oh my god, they're all rares. Keep going, keep going. Wow. Wowzers, wowzers. Oh my god. There's something wrong with this packet or something. What's that? Another rare? Oh my god, they're all rares. It's a super rare Hercule and a super rare Piccolo. Let's have a look. What's going on here? This packet had, oh, it's just 2 of them. So there's loads of rares and there's 2 super rares in the pack. Amazing. Got 3 more packs to open as well.